How to cut background sound in video in Inshot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cut background sound from a video in Inshot. Now if you are editing a video on Inshot and you wish to remove the background sound or trim it or cut it, then here is how you can do it. You want to simply open up your Inshot video editor, simply tap on video option and then select a project that you wish to remove the background from. I'll just select a quick video here and then tap on OK, and you can see the video has been loaded. If you tap on that particular video and then if you swipe on the options and select the volume option, you can see the volume. There is audio in the video. Now in order to remove it, in order to cut it, what you can do is you can simply tap on extract audio. You can see the audio has been extracted separately. Now you can either trim it or you can simply swipe to the direction that you want to cut. You can simply split it, and you can split it and remove the part that you do not want it to be on the video. Or if you don't want the audio anyways, you can simply select the audio and you can just remove them by tapping on delete. And once you do so, if you again head into volume option, you can see there is no any background music. So this way you can cut background sound in video in editor Inshot application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.